Oh, hey, I just realized I'm filming all these videos with all of this Halloween stuff on me. So, y'all know what day it is. It's Halloween when I film this. Um, so let's go ahead and do the assembly file. So, we're going to go new, and we're going to pick standard IAM, which is the 3 blocks. Hit create. We're going to click on place, pick place. Navigate to that folder that you made on the desktop that hopefully you named beverage holder. Select your bottom plate, click open, hit escape, zoom out. Remember, you want to try and keep them from not touching each other. It just makes your life a little easier. And I'm going to put all these pieces in. Now the top plate is coming in. Now those pegs, you need 5 of them. So I'm going to click on peg, and then I'm going to click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hit escape. And now, okay, so we're going to use the insert constraint, and I'm going to put this guy in first. So I'm going to click constrain, and I'm going to use the insert constraint, which is the one that looks like a screw. And then I'm going to catch this circle here, because this is the one I want touching the top here. And see how it fits in nice and neat, and it gives you that little click. That's what you want to hear. Now the pegs can be a little tricky. Again, insert. I want that circle touching this circle, and see, it wants to go in upside down. So you can click this and that'll flip it. And to make sure you did it right, when you flip it over, you should be able to see it. All right, constrain, insert, get this guy, get the top of the circle, flip it, apply. Same thing here. And that, because I have that turned on, it did what I wanted it to do. Okay, now we're going to put the top plate on. This is where things get tricky. You don't have to get all 5 pegs in all 5 holes. Probably need about 3. So insert, I want this hole touching, and it's the kind of underneath one here, this piece here. And see how it snaps into place? All right, the next thing I'm going to put in is this center peg, because that's going to help us. So I'm going to pick insert, I'm going to pick this, I'm going to pick that, and it should go into that spacer. And now we've got to mess with now we got to put it in the spacer. So I'm going to click constrain, insert, and I'm going to click this circle, and I'm going to click the top of the spacer, and you can hear it pop into spot. And now if you right click on the center column thing and you ground it, you should be able to turn it and stuff should not move. If you see pegs moving, you did this wrong. Like, the pegs should not be, the pegs should move with the top piece, but they shouldn't show up through the big holes, because that's where your beverages go. Okay, guys? So give it a try. Usually if it won't fit together, you drew the pegs wrong, or the circle that the pegs are supposed to fit into, those little holes weren't drawn right. Let me know if you need help. This is the tricky part.